Hello guys, so welcome back to today's mathematics class for this upcoming JAMB examination. So guys, if it's the first time watching my video, do it to subscribe, like, or touch the button in case what you are benefit like this, you don't be the first one notified. And also, if you're watching for our other social media platform like Facebook or Instagram, any kind of social media we wasn't presently, I would like you to follow up in case we have a benefit like this, so you'll be benefit from this class. So guys, if you'd like to join my Telegram group or my WhatsApp group, I'll drop the link in the comment section so you can join us. Okay, so I picked this question from 2023 JAMB mathematics past question. So let's dive into the solution of this question, guys. Let's go. And before we go, guys, I would like if you can take 1 minute of your time to share this video with a friend or family that are writing for this upcoming JAMB examination, so this video may help them. Okay, thank you. God bless you. I'll take that 1 minute to do so. Now let's dive into the solution of it. So let me read the question. Say that if this question is for the matrix. Okay, so if we have the S for, we have 2 y equals to, we have 3, we have the base brackets, we have 3, 4, we have 3s minus 5. Find the value of y, find the value of s rather. We're told to find the value of s. Now, how to solve this question? You know, being the first time, many of you may find it difficult to solve this question, and it's very simple in aspect of matrix. Okay, it's very simple. So I will make it easy. I'll solve it in the easiest fast. There are 2 methods of solving this question, but for the sake of this video, I will use one method. So in the next video, if you want me to make another method of solving this, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I will know. I will make the video on the second method. Okay, thank you guys. Let's dive into it. Now we have the solution. Let me write the solution out. Okay, so let's write the first matrix here. The first matrix here we have that is s, now minus s. We have 2, we have 4s, and we have 1. So let me draw the base here. So we have the second matrix that is equal to, we have 3, we have 4, that is a 3 s, and minus 5. So that is b. Let me draw the base bracket like this. Now let's solve it now. If you look at this one, easy way, this is 2 by 3 matrix. Both sides are 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so we can solve it each using determinants. Okay, we can solve it each using what? Determinants. Let me first of all, let me call this one A, determinant of a matrix A, and let me call this one matrix what? B. So it means that A is equal to B. Okay, so let's first of all solve this determinant or this matrix A. So let's solve A. Our A is equal to, we have minus what? S, that is 4 what? S, and 2 y. So let's solve this matrix, that is 2 by 2 matrix, using determinants. So you have minus s times 1, that's equal to minus what? S. Okay, minus, they have the sign here, between this the sign here is minus, so we have minus like 2 times 4s, that gives us what? As 8 what? S. So minus s minus 8s, it is equal to minus what? 9 what? S. I get now. So it means our A, the matrix A is equal to minus 9s. Now let's find our matrix B. That is matrix B is equal to, we have 3, we have 4, we have 3 what? S, and we have minus 5. So let's solve it. Let's see where we solve this. Now it will be 3 times minus 5. That is give us what? B now is equal to 3 times minus 5. That is minus 15. Okay. Minus the sign here in between it is what? Is 5. Is minus rather. That is 3s times 4. That gives us 12 what? 12s. Now if you look at this one, you cannot add it together because they are not the same. This one has a variable as s, while this one does not have s. So it means that the matrix B is equal to minus 15 minus 12s. Now let's make it an equation. We have A equal to B, that is set A is equal to set B. So we have a set A is equal to set B. So our set A we get minus what? Minus 9 what? S equal to our set B we have minus what? 15, okay, minus 12 what? S. Now what we just have to do here to get the value of S is to collect the like time, because we have S here and we have S here, some of the same. So let's take this this S 12s, let's take to this part. Okay, and there is minus. When you're taking minus cos this equal to sign, it will change to plus. The sign will change. Okay, So here we have minus what 9s. This one comes here, that give us plus what 12 what s equal to minus 15. So we left with minus 15 here. Now minus 9s plus 12s, that will give us 3 what 3s. We have 3s equal to minus what 15. Now to get the value of s, now what we just do is to divide both sides by the quotient of s, and the quotient of s here is equal to what 3. So you have to divide both sides by 3. We divide this side by what 3. So this 3 here, we count this 3. Therefore our s now is equal to 3 can go in 15. 3 here 1, 3 in 15, that is what 5. So and we have minus here, so s is equal to minus what okay, s is equal to minus 5. So let me try to create space. I think so s is equal to minus 5. So let me try. So that will be equal to our s now is equal to minus 5. So the answer value of s is equal to minus 5. So the solution to this problem is equal to minus 5. So if you look at the options, there's a mistake in error here. Maybe with the way I copied the from the past question. Either the question is option A, or either is option A or option D. Okay, one of it should be minus. When you see this one, you have plus 2, you have minus 2. So one of this one should be minus. So option, the answer is to be A or B, but the sign is that is typing error when they are making the question, the past question. So this is how you solve it, and this is the solution to this question, guys. This is the question. So guys, if you enjoyed the class, don't forget to subscribe, like, also the button in case what you're benefit like this. It will be the first one notified. So thank you. Let's move to the next class and let's treat another take question under this past question. Let's go.